Sorry, he's not responsive. Door's locked. Sir! Wake up! Wake up! Break! 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 He's about to crash into a house. Break! Stop! Stop! Open the door! Put your foot on the brake! Put your foot on the brake! Open the door! Sir, put your foot on the brake! Step out of the car. What's going on? Stop! 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 Get out of the car. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Unit, step it up. Stop! Stop. Get out of the car. 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 Have a seat. Have a seat.
10-4, 2911, what do you got?
I'm good. One male party detained.
One male party detained, 2347.
Sir, what's your name?
Ryan.
What's going on right now? Do you know where you are?
Yeah.
What happened?
I'm back to my house.
Where's your house?
6 4th Street, Raynham.
What is it?
6 4th Street, Raynham.
What did you take anything tonight?
No. I was just driving back to my house.
What are you on? Did you take anything?
No.
510.
I live at 6 4th Street, Raynham.
2510.
Where do you live?
6 4th Street, Raynham, Mass.
Do you know what town, city you're in?
Raynham, Mass.
You're in Raynham right now?
Yep.
Did you drink anything?
No. I live right down the street.
You don't live down the street. You're in Tiverton, Rhode Island.
Right down the street. 6 4th Street, Raynham, Mass.
No. You good?
Yeah. All right. What? You're not making any sense.
6 4th Street, Raynham.
You're not even close to where you're supposed to be.
Right down the street.
You're not down the street. You're like an hour away from where you live.
I have no clue.
What did you consume tonight? So you were
Right down the street. Right down the street from where I'm at.
no. What did you take tonight?
Nothing.
What did you take tonight to make you act like this?
Nothing.
You woke up and you put the car in drive and you almost drove into this person's house. And then I smashed the window and put it in drive. And then you put it in park. And then you put it back in.
I have no clue. I swear to God.
Well, you don't know where you are.
No, I'm...
That just happened.
6 4th Street, Raynham, Mass.
You're not in Raynham. You're in Tiverton, Rhode Island.
Take some pictures before we start digging for it.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah, I'll take the pictures.
What's up, you good?
You to be honest with us right now, because like
Marijuana?
this is
Marijuana? Okay.
crazy.
Yeah.
Did you smoke any marijuana tonight?
No.
Okay. Did you drink any alcohol tonight?
Well, I had like a couple beers.
When what's a couple beers?
Like 2 beers, 2 or 3 beers.
And when was that?
Like, probably like 4 hours ago.
4 hours ago?
Yeah.
Okay. Where did you have the beers?
On my way home. Not really.
No, on your way home from where? Like, where were you?
Like, I'm not gonna lie, like 3 hours ago, 4 hours ago.
No, where? Not when. Where?
No, where? Like, honestly, yeah.
Okay. So how did you end up in Tiverton, Rhode Island is what I want to know.
Tiverton, Rhode Island?
Yeah. Fall River, Mass is right there. Tiverton, Rhode Island.
Honestly.
You don't know. Okay.
Do you know where you are?
Okay.
You don't recognize
So-
the neighborhood?
He thinks he's in Raynham. So,
Honestly, I'm from 6th Street, Raynham.
so are you going to be willing to perform some field sobriety tests for me?
No.
You don't want to.
No, I'm not.
You're not going to do that.
Honestly.
Okay. Will you give us a PBT sample to tell us that there's no alcohol in your system?
What's that PVC?
Preliminary breath test. Because it's either a medical issue, a drug issue, or an alcohol issue.
Yeah.
And I'll be honest, I can smell it coming off your breath. So that's why I'm giving you the option. Do you want to perform the tests?
No, I don't.
Okay. Will you submit to the preliminary breath test?
What's that?
It will tell us if there's the presence of alcohol in your body at all.
Oh, I definitely have alcohol in my system.
Do you want to blow into a machine?
What?
Do you want to blow into a little machine to see what your blood alcohol content is?
Yeah, I would.
Yeah, you would?
Yeah, I would.
Okay.
Should be an S1.
You go on,
Yeah, in a second. I'll just to be transparent with you, the reason that you're in cuffs right now is because you were almost going to drive into this house. I put the vehicle in park, and then you put it back in drive, and I tried to pull you away from putting it, and you kind of resisted me a little bit, so I got a little rough with you because I thought you were going to drive through this person's house. You missed my cruiser by this much.
How much?
This much.
I'm sorry.
And you also took out a light pole, I believe, down the street. Someone saw you. So.
Light bulb?
Just like that one.
I'm sorry.
Ryan, what was the last thing you remember?
Remember?
Yeah.
Pulling in here? And
Pulling in here.
Pulled me over.
Pulling in here.
I was in a deli on the deli there.
What store?
Market basket.
So Fall River Market Basket?
No, market basket in Raynham. No, Bridgewater.
Bridgewater.
Well, Brockton market
All right.
basket.
Take a big deep breath in, slow steady stream out like you're blowing up a balloon.
Yep.
Blow. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, yep.
Oh, I'm sorry. What's that?
Shots, drinks.
12 control. You can put me out in the area by 131.
Well,
All right, so based on everything, the totality, you're going to be placed under arrest for suspicion of DUI, okay?
Yeah.
Just make sure these are,
are you hurt at all?
No.
Feel like you need medical attention? Alright, we got an ambulance coming anyway.
I'm 11-285, mail party 10:15.
You got a sample?
Mail party 1015. Fly for you tonight.
I'll take the next hook too.
That's Wilson.
Did you get his wallet? All right. Can you? What'd you say your name was, boss? Brian.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Just have a seat for right now. Swing your feet in.